us all to take pride in the fact that in the figures from July to September of 2023 this year, Siaya has recorded 120% screening rate. Makofi kwa hawa. And just to emphasize what Maside said, there is no wasted opportunity for awareness raising. Now we focus still on continuing screening for cervical cancer, but especially for breast cancer, or in addition to screening for breast cancer, because it is the biggest cancer killer. It is the biggest incidence of cancer that we have in our country. 40% is a very sobering statistic that were given by the surgeon. And of those 40%, of those 40 of us here amongst the 100 women who are here, there are many of us who don't know our breast status, if there's such a thing, because we are afraid. We are afraid of stigma. We are afraid, like Elizabeth said, of being given a death sentence by our family, by our community members. We are afraid of even our homes breaking down, because a cancer diagnosis comes with a lot of financial responsibility.
Betty Orengo.